strutting down the street.
We interrupt your regular programming for an urgent public safety alert. At approximately 3:14 p.m. this afternoon, local authorities responded to a grisly scene at a residence on Wither Road, just outside city limits. Inside, they discovered the bodies of an entire family, bludgeoned to death with what investigators have confirmed was a heavy-duty pipe wrench. The suspect, believed to be the eldest son of the household, has been identified only as a male in his late 20s, last seen wandering the aisles of Charlie's Hardware on Route 6 shortly after the killings. Witnesses describe him as tall, gaunt, pale, and exhibiting signs of emotional disassociation. One employee described his stare as, quote, vacant, like something else was driving the body. Law enforcement is urging residents to stay indoors and lock all entry points. The suspect may be unstable, possibly invalid, and considered extremely dangerous. Repeat, do not engage. Do not attempt to approach. If you see an individual matching this description, especially if he is carrying any tools or appears confused, call 911 immediately. This has been an emergency alert from WZRD 91.7. We now return you to your regularly scheduled programming.
Looking for my lady.
Okay, yeah. So you're telling me the guy who stares at light bulbs for a living blundered his entire family to death with a wrench? Not a prank call. Okay. Autopsy? Really? I gotta give the window licker a little more credit. I didn't expect this from him. Yeah, I heard the radio. Everybody heard the radio. Small town. Well, I don't get paid enough to deal with people of this kind, so, you know. Yeah, I know, you don't either.
Hey, John. Hi, Randall. Hear about the accident? Emergency broadcast?
Yeah, I just did. Driving home.
Yeah, they say it's the most horrific event that ever happened to the town. Except for that one time in '69. We won't talk about that one.
Well, you know, best thing we can do is just carry on. Well, move on, I guess. I'm gonna say hi to the. I bet it went like this. You sound like it, isn't it?
What the fuck? Who are you? What was this again? Greenkill, huh? Funny enough, I'm over watching one of the sporting events they got there on the hiking trail. Really? Just like 69, huh? Yeah, this shit gets a little creepier and creepier. As if going to school with the guy wasn't creepy enough, huh? Yeah. Kid had a dunce cap on during fucking PE. Alright, yeah, I'll check it out. Alright. Yo.
Oh shit, man. Fuck.
Guys, get the fuck down here. So, I got a dead body off the trail of Greenkill, and it's looking like 69 here.
Fucking guy. Fucking guy.